Hello, dancing friends. My name is D-Man Honey, and you're watching
Tutting Academy!
In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about
Tutting Academy!
Thank you for signing up, and now your free gift
Tutting follow-up challenge
is waiting for you in your email inbox.
If it's not in the inbox, it's probably somewhere else. Do just move it.
So, who are you?
My name is D-Man Honey. I'm a tutting choreographer. I help hip-hop dancers master the art of tutting in order to become better dancers. I created a secret teaching technique that allows me to teach everyone how to dance tutting, from strangers in the street to little kids and to very old people. Welcome to Tutting Academy.
What is Tutting Academy?
I challenged myself to create the best tutting bootcamp online that I could ever create. I wanted to break the limits of teaching and make it possible for a 0% experienced beginner to become super advanced in the shortest time possible, in 30 days. It took me an entire year, 365 days. Every day I went to shoot new videos, always coming up with new ideas to simplify my teaching techniques. I worked night shifts, 5 and sometimes 6 nights per week to edit all of the videos, making them more and more fun every day. When I finally finished that project, I had 175 tutorials, and I used all of these 175 tutorials to create my biggest creation ever.
The 30 Day Tutting Challenge!